Lovely, lovely. So I'm going to take it off, put in my pot, and bring it inside. All right, so and say this grill is the best. You don't burn your chicken, man. It's get them perfect. It's not dried out. How does it look, guys? Looks good. Looks good to me.